Hey, how's it going, folks? Welcome to Crypto Growth. This is your host Shazib signing in. Is Constellation Dag the data layer for the new financial system? This is the question we're going to try and unpack in this video. For those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins, the ISO20022 compliant coins, as well as other utility coins as well. So if you're interested in any of them and other gems, it would be discussed if needed. Do stay tuned and subscribe for regular videos. So let us begin with the price of Constellation Dag. In real time, one Constellation Dag is priced at around $0.0246 with a market cap of 31 million approximately and fully diluted market cap of 91 million approx and a circulating supply of 34.13% from the max and total supply of 3.8 billion DAG tokens. So we can see it had its rally back in 2021. It went to 0.4499 from 0.001483 approximately since 2018-2019 era. It has dipped down, and it might be in a good entry point of buying. If you're interested, do your own research. So let us begin. What is Constellation Network? Basically, is Constellation Network redefining how we perceive data? As they say, data is the new oil. So is it transforming how we perceive it? Let us find out. What is Constellation Network? Constellation is a feeless, decentralized network that enables anyone to build the future of Web3 on a secure, infinitely scalable, and cross-chain interoperable protocol underwritten by DAG. It's a native utility token. So many projects claim to be solving scalability, but Constellation claims to be infinitely scalable as it is built upon a layer 0 network. It is not your conventional layer 1. It claims to be feeless as well. We're going to check out the multiple layers of them: the Metagraph network, DAG layer 1 network, layer 0 network. So basically these are the network components. 8GTP Hypergraph Transfer Protocol is Constellation's core technology and language of the network. Just as HTTP is the foundation to the World Wide Web, 8GTP contains the rules that shape hypergraphs architecture and defines how data and transactions are exchanged and validated across the network. So this is basically the core language of the network. Hypergraph. The design of the hypergraph network is based on a graph structure that looks like a set of dots, vertices joined by lines, edges. More specifically, this structure is known as a directed acyclic graph, which allows for endless horizontal scalability. So as the network grows, it becomes even faster. There are a lot of projects that are working with the DAG directed acyclic graph, but I'm going to be coming up with points that why Constellation is different from the rest. So stay tuned. Basically, a traditional blockchain forms the blocks in a linear manner. What DAG does is it has this endless horizontal scalability. It has dots, it joined by lines. So this is a sort of, it creates a web. It does is it becomes infinitely scalable, decentralized, and it is basically solving the blockchain trilemma, whereby only two of the three options were possible to achieve: the scalability, security, among the conventional trilemma that you guys know of. uh, DAG token. DAG is the native utility token of Constellation Network, eponymously named after the network structure. As previously described, DAG underwrites all projects connected to the hypergraph and secures the network. We're going to check this out as well. Metagraph. A metagraph, previously state channel, is a project network built on top of the hypergraph that supports metagraph tokens, custom data types, and distributed applications, all maintained and secured by validator nodes, orchestrated by proof of reputable observation. So the consensus mechanism is not proof of work or proof of stake, it is rather proof of reputable observation. In this, the node that is historically reliable is, I think, much more preferable, and it has a great mechanism. For example, the DAG token operates on an exclusive metagraph with validator nodes that provides resources to validate and confirm the transactions. And metagraph I can simply call it the smart contract of Constellation Dag, or closer to that, so I'll make it easier for you guys. DAG token, DAG Layer 1 network. DAG Layer 1 is a special case metagraph that validates DAG currency transactions for the network and bundles them into blocks, which are then submitted to the global Layer 0 network for final validation. Let us move ahead and see what is DAG. What is DAG token? The DAG Coin, Constellation's DAG Coin, is a cryptocurrency platform built on a directed acyclic graph structure. This hypergraph-based protocol enables Constellation to create a trustless, decentralized network of nodes that share data in real time. Trustless means there is no third party involved, without the need for mining or other energy-intensive processes. Technology behind the coin. At its core, Constellation's directed acyclic graph structures uses nodes to store data and validate transactions. This structure allows for significantly faster processing times than traditional proof-of-work models, as well as improved security due to its distributed architecture, meaning that no single node can control or manipulate the data stored on the chain. DAG-based networks are built to be more flexible and scalable than traditional blockchain networks, meaning they can handle larger amounts of data in shorter time. Who uses DAG? Constellation's DAG coin offers several benefits that can improve crypto transactions, efficiency, and security. The architecture of the system is ideal for. Now, these are the use cases. Token purchasers and holders. Individuals that have purchased DAG are sending it between their wallets, using it as a peer-to-peer currency, like always, like most of the currencies. Obviously. Node validators. These individuals manage nodes and receive DAG as a reward for participating in hypergraph and consensus. Consensus is the programmatic means to govern and optimize the network with speed and security. The collection of these nodes is distributed and forms the hypergraph. Metagraph businesses. With Constellation's 8GTP protocol, individuals and organizations can create immutable, automated, and programmatic businesses and tokens with the Metagraph token standard, so they can use and build their own programmatic businesses, their DApps and whatnot on the Constellation Network. The tokenization of data. Now, this is big. This can be huge in the future. The DAG token represents network bandwidth, enabling transactions over the rate limit, as well as the monetization of data streams. So data can be monetized in with DAG. DAG users become datapreneurs and can buy and sell data as they see fit. So basically, data would be able to be bought and sold like commodities. If this is not huge, then what is? Within Constellation's network, the DAG token plays a few other roles. Nodes earn validator rewards in the form of DAG. DAG is used to secure throughput on the network. DAG will be used to purchase validated data sets on the network. The tokenization of data could one day allow data packages to be traded and sold like commodities. When they say data is the new oil, the Constellation is basically tapping into this oil market, the new oil market. So you guys can see how big this can be in the coming times. Let us check this out, guys. An expanding universe. As a decentralized network, Constellation promotes collaboration. So check out the partners. You guys are acquainted with a few names over here: Quant, Qcoin, LCX, Chainlink, Helium. So you guys can see what this is all about. Now check this out. This is the community. You can find them on YouTube, Stardust Collective, Twitter, Telegram, Discord. Anyways, let us check out the business. Amazon Web Services. Check this out. This is huge. US Air Force. The Department of Defense is involved with this. We're going to check that out as well. So let us check out this website. Growing ecosystem. Ledger is involved. Amazon Web Services involved. Helium, Uphold, Splunk. Go from layer 0 to 60. The 1.3 billion staked in DAG wallet holders, validator nodes. So check this out, a robust ecosystem. What sets DAG apart? It is secure. This decentralized DAG architecture offers cryptographic security at scale for all data traversing the network. It is decentralized, 300 plus globally distributed foundational nodes with a proof of reputable observation consensus mechanism ensure decentralized performance and consensus, truly interoperable, infinitely scalable, feeless, blazingly fast. Test shows 80,000 transactions in 7 seconds with only 6 nodes. But the bigger the network grows, the faster it goes. You can check out the comparisons of Constellation with Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, Cardano, Hedera Hashgraph. It has a mainnet launched, the wallet, DEX. It has hardware capabilities, incubator, enterprise tools, average transaction fees. It is basically feeless, average TXN fees, feeless, and you guys can check the products as well. It has a DeFi gateway with a launchpad. It can be called the exchange of DAG, which is known as Lattice. The LTX token is the primary token of Lattice. Stargazer wallet, Door traffic miner, collect foot traffic data to earn crypto rewards with the Door traffic miner, a one-of-a-kind battery-operated people-counting hardware device you can place in any door, anywhere. This is the DAG Explorer. Track all of your DAG utility token transactions on the new and improved DAG Explorer. So guys, let us check out the DAG ecosystem. These are the projects that are built upon the DAG. They were launched on the Lattice exchange, and I'm bullish on a few of them. Primarily the Alchemy exchange, a decentralized replacement to the inefficient legacy programmatic ad exchanges with the mission to restore the value exchange between advertisers. So we're going to cover this in the future videos as well. The projects of DAG, we're going to be covering them in the future videos. Greenheart CBDC, this is solving the efficiency and infinite scalability of DAG is allowing real world use cases to be built upon its platform. We're going to check them out as well. Now let us check this article. This is rather an interesting article as well. It explores the Constellation Network as well as the partners. So in a nutshell, let us check this again for further confirmation. Constellation Network provides cybersecurity for big data. The Constellation Hypergraph network provides a scalable and secure distributed network that validates data for enterprise and public sector clients. It is the first truly decentralized, infinitely scalable DAG protocol. Hypergraph addresses digital threat vectors prone to big data initiatives, Internet of Things, and data transportation. It provides an infrastructure for an open, decentralized data marketplace and an enterprise-grade software solution for data provenance and integrity. It is secure, cost-effective, scalable, and easy to integrate. The software infrastructure tool removes the financial and organizational cost of insecure data pipelines and bad data. It provides a secure and tamper-proof audit trail that simultaneously validates your data, allowing early visibility for data management teams into downstream issues, preventing bad logic across automated systems. Partners. Constellation only recently migrated to their mainnet but already managed to build a very impressive list of partners. Some of these partners are the United States, Airforce, Movi, Chainlink, Quant. You guys are well acquainted with Quant, Decisive Point, Decode, Mousebelt, PEA, MongoDB, and Splunk. Check this out, United States Air Force. Constellation's technology will help securely unlock traditionally siloed. Siloed is basically isolated. The other term for a synonym for siloed is isolated. For I'll make it easier for you. And non-accessible data and data sources. This is commonly referred to as multi-domain command and control (MDC2) at the U.S. Air Force. U.S. Air Force would not. The Department of Defense would not use just a random coin for this security or for their real-time use case. So you guys can check how big Constellation can be and is. Multi-domain cross-service stakeholders are dispersed, disconnected, and complicated, and the data created by each domain is either non-accessible or requires significant manpower to handle data forensics, planning, and collection. Constellation comes into play. Constellation will create a leap in the USAF's current capabilities with a focus on the agile interoperability of both legacy and future data types. It is a scalable and secure approach to big data processing while enabling the merging of legacy system data with existing cloud infrastructure data. As such, Constellation provides decentralized security not only to Airforce data pipelines with encryption, but also creates audit trails and live overview of the status of any data source. The USAF was very pleased with the results of this partnership and wrote a letter of support. So this is the letter of support. The unique Constellation blockchain for big data technology has significant potential to help Air Force cybersecurity and the 618 Air Operations Center with commercial partners mission transaction interactions verifications by mitigating security risks of attack points like servers, cloud storage, and centrally hosted access control systems that are either exposed to hacking or spoofing activities. So they have legitimized the technology of Constellation by giving a letter of the acknowledgement that it is solving a real-time issue of cybersecurity. Constellation is solving real-world issues, real-time issues in the Air Force. You guys can see the foreseeable result would successfully thwart spoofing attacks from intercepting and replacing an existing data stream with a data stream from a hostile agent or adds fraudulent information to the existing data streams. So it is working on solutions from hacking, from spoofing activities that the legacy systems, the cloud storage system, and the centrally hosted access systems normally face. So you guys can see this. This is the letter Department of the Air Force Headquarters Air Mobility Command. So you guys can see what Constellation is up to. It has other partners as well like Quant and Internet for Automation with Internet of Things and Edge Devices outlines how Constellation and Quant will provide robust security for Internet of Things and interoperability of data between systems and these devices for use cases like connected cities. Smart or connected cities can use IoT to develop and connect digital ecosystems that have many benefits. So you guys can see Constellation is huge. It is truly undervalued. It is truly underrated, and there is a subtle FUD also going on in the DAG community as well, but the fundamentals are truly strong. It is revolutionizing how we have imagined data. It is making data, it is tokenizing data, it is making data a commodity basically. So this would be huge in my opinion. It has an entire ecosystem as well, which we would explore in the future as well with the likes of Alchemy Exchange and the Lattice Exchange, LTX Coin. We are going to be exploring them as well in the future. DAG ecosystem can be huge in the future. So check this out. Defense Department explores crypto use case with blockchain startup Constellation. It marks a significant milestone as one of the first completed blockchain phase 2 contracts within the government sector. So Biden's White House might be waging war on crypto, but that hasn't stopped the US Department of Defense from pushing blockchain boundaries. Yes, so they're truly using Constellation. Look to the stars. Constellation is the architect of what it calls the Hypergraph transfer protocol. It is a tool for Web3 developers to encrypt, authenticate, and handle data across various digital platforms. So what I'm saying is that Department of Defense would not be using any random coin for their highly secure networks. Constellation is a big deal. It is going to be huge in the upcoming terms. In my opinion, this is not financial advice, so do check into it. And we're going to be making future videos as well on DAG and its ecosystem. So guys, if you like this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And if you're interested in any of the utility coins mentioned here and other gems that we might discuss if needed, then make sure to subscribe the channel for regular videos. So in the end, like I always say, until next time, stay blessed, and stay tuned. Thank you.